Good morning, guys! It's Sabado! I'll get my hair done. So, I woke up really early kasi yung appointment namin ni Dan is 9 ng umaga. Punta kami dun sa salon ng best friend ng kambal ni Dan. Kasi kinukulit kami. Kailan magpapaano si Rhaze? Kailan magpapaano si Rhaze? So, sabi ko, sige, punta tayo. Ako pa talaga yung pinili. Ano ko, prinsesa ka ba? Ikaw ba yung prinsesa? Okay, let's put tiger balm on you. It's here, oh. Si Don, guys, yung shoulder niya sore. It's sore, my love. Sit down there, my love. Guys, hindi ko alam kung ano ipapakulay ko sa buhok ko. Sobrang bilis ng mga pangyayari, guys. Sobrang bilis ng mga pangyayari. I think napabook to ni Dan before pa kami pumunta kay Namanay. And ito lang yung weekend na free kasi kami. And hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko, guys. I think I'm gonna go for something very subtle, babe.
Okay.
Like, what do you think about this?
Yeah, it looks good.
You didn't even look.
I did. Looks good.
So what's the color?
It's black. For a bit of subtle. It's subtle.
Ash brown balayage. And then we have this one, my love. It kind of has like grey tint to it.
I don't think that will suit you.
This one?
You don't. No, you'd have like a lot of hair for that.
I don't.
Yeah, that.
How about this one?
I'm trying to go around.
Okay, no. Don't look at me. One sec, I'll show you this one. Hindi ako nag-blow dry, guys. Inano ko lang siya. Winash ko lang yung buhok ko. This one, babe?
I just don't think you've got the hair for it.
So just this one then?
I think so.
Yeah. I think you're right as well. I'm gonna go for this, guys. Sana makuha nila. So parang very ano lang siya. I want the hair to stay dark. Tapos dito lang yung very subtle lang na color. Natakot ako magpa-light na kasi, di ba last time nagpa-light ako, hindi ko na gusto.
You gonna get a trim as well?
Nah.
You sure?
I don't think if I have enough, like if my hair is long enough for this, but this looks nice. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this, babe. Okay. That's it, people! We have a hair! Color. Ito, guys. Dito na kami, guys. Yung salon nila is Mr. Morris Salon. Ililive ko yung link ng Instagram nila below, guys. But dito siya sa Putney Street. Dito sa
What street?
Putney?
Putney.
What is this?
King William.
King William.
William Street.
Taka-taka naman siya.
Putney Street. Putney Street in the city.
I saw it there. It says,
It might be a
you
side
wanna
street.
know about Putney? Okay. Mali na naman itong si Rice. Ang gaganda ng mga dress dito, oh. Maliliit pa tingnan. Tingnan nyo. Yan, oh, yung ano, yan na dress na yun, ano siya. Parang, maganda siya pang New Year. Polka dots. Lalak ba natin yun? Yan, guys. Mr. Morris. Yan. Mr. Morris Salon. Trendy shop, people. Let's go!
There you go, man.
Dito lang, guys.
Yeah.
Tatlo pala kami.
That's right. Babe.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Look at it properly. No, you!
I'm recording.
Do you always find without hair around there? Is it Chris Connick? Yeah. And do you want
Are you gonna Instagram?
Okay, that's right. Thank you.
It's like a spaceship.
And it just makes it cold if you put it through. Guys, tapos na! Kinulot pa niya yung buhok ko. Bakit red, babe? It looks red, wait. Uy, red pa rin siya, guys. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nagre-red yung camera. Pero anyway, punta kami sa ano, guys, Marion. Kasi medyo malapit-lapit kami sa Marion. Hindi naman masyado, pero yeah. Kinulot pa niya yung buhok ko. I love the way she curled my hair.
Yeah, she good job.
Yeah. Thank you. Dito kami sa Marion, guys. Westfield. Gusto magtingin-tingin nila ng mga ano susuotin niya sa Sydney. Dito kami sa ano, guys, sa food court. Dito, si Dan, nag-order siya dyan sa Redback Char Grill. What did you get? Meatballs? What's that? Beef? Is it good? Nag-order ako sa Vietnamese na ano, guys, na doon sa Vietnamese. Yung beef noodle soup yung in-order ko, yung pho. Ito na yung akin, guys. Beef noodle soup. Pinalagyan ko siya ng chili. Kain, guys. Kain. Dito kami kina Mang Conor, guys. Try sila ng mga ano, long sleeve. Ka-shoes talaga siya, dahil. Ka-shoes talaga siya. Do you like that one? I like that one.
I'll get it both.
You will get both?
That one on the Sunday and this one on the Saturday.
Guys, pauwi na kami. Actually, matagal kami doon. Hindi lang ako masyado mag-vlog kasi wala. Lakad pa more. Tapos ang dami naming dala. Uwi kami sa bahay, guys. Kasi yung mga girls punta sa bahay. Biglaan na naman. Okay, you have to tell me where to go because I have no idea. Straight? Or here?
Go left.
Okay. Uwi na kami, guys. Magluluto ako ng green beans. Green beans. Where?
Go right.
Go right. Oopsie. And then?
Go that way.
Babe.
The public to have their say in a review of South Australia's sentencing discount scheme, which allows prisoners to get a reduced sentence or an early guilty plea.
Kapag nagbibisaya ako, guys, gumagano siya.
Supreme Court Judge Brian Martin to undertake the review following concern that sentences imposed for serious offences are no longer in line with
Uy, they like the Tagalog time, my love.
Did they?
Yeah, they did.
Tell them what you were saying before.
What? Before? Oh, I said, filler ka, babe.
What does that mean?
Usahay ba mo? Garat na ka na, filler na kay kalsay? Ginaganon-ganon ko siya, guys, sabi. I don't know how to translate that in English. Like, full of yourself, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, you're so full of yourself.
That's true.
You feel like you're so guapo all the time.
Who? Me? I don't even do anything. Look, hair's not done. You're the one that spent all this money to get your hair done.
Oh, it was free.
All that money.
Hindi kami pinabayad, guys. Hindi naman talaga kami pinababayad, pero nakaka-shock pa rin minsan. Kasi wala siya dun eh. Wala yung best friend ng kambal niya dun. Sila lang. Pero she passed the message on, babe. She was like, Rhazel's coming, people. Rhazel's coming. And Daniel. Thank you, Sinead.
Thank you, Sinead.
Thank you.
I'm sure she watches your vlogs. She doesn't.
She doesn't. Too busy.
Yeah.
She's too busy. But thank you anyways. Pauwi na kami, guys. Napapagod na si Dan mag-drive. Babe, napapagod ka na ba sa akin? Pagod ka na sa akin, babe?
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, agreed ako.
I agree.
I'm speeding again, my love!
Don't speed around here.
I'm not. Bahay na kami, guys! Naput-away na ni Dan yung mga pinabili namin. Ito na natira. Bumili ako nito green beans. Ito yung natutuin ko kasi pupunta dito yung mga babae. Capsicum, carrot. And then ito sa Woolies, naka-sale siya, guys. $7.70 na lang siya from $11. So we got this. And then, ito para sa green beans. We got lights. Are you gonna put on the lights, babe? Bumili na naman kami. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, pinalitan namin ng LED yung sa kwarto. Hindi nag-work. Namamatay, guys. So, yung halogen na lang. Yellow na lights. Kasi yung LED, hindi siya nag-work. Tapos, mahal pa siya kasi mas mahal yung LED na light globes. Tapos, kailangan pa namin bumili ng adapter para makonect namin siya sa LED kasi ito yung dito LED. And we got some stuff from Priceline. Bumili si Dan nito. Glycogel. Hindi siya na ganyan, guys. Here, babe, your Glycogel. Bumili ako nito kasi meron ako. Tapos, maganda to actually, guys. Yung Libra na Invisible Sport. Manipis lang siya, tapos mahaba. So, yeah. Bet ko siya actually. Parang wala lang siya, kahit meron. And then, I got the Nivea Pure Cleansing Wipes. Kasi ano siya, guys, naka-sale siya ng, I think, $4 na lang from 7. And then, ito, $2 lang kasi siya. So, gusto ko din siya itry. Ito yung Be Fresh Micellar Cleansing Wipe. Ganyan siya. Yan. Yun lang yung sa Priceline. Yung sa Cotton On, I think mag-haul ako, guys. Clothing haul. So, maya na yun. Guys, ito na. Lapit na siya, guys. Yan. Dito na sila. Asin sila. Hi, guys. Uy, mag-hi kayo. Ate? Hi. Hi. May dala siya. Ano? Cha?
First time ko yan, guys.
First time mo yan? Cha? May pa-seafood ka dyan, ah.
May pa ano, may fishbowl. Di ba?
Char. Tsaka yung ano, guys. Crispy pata. Hindi na crispy. Crispy pa yan. Yummers. Char. Bakit? Anong meron? Bakit buang? In-announce mo sa vlog mo? Bakit?
Yun pa lang, anak.
Oh, sige, sa'yo.
Hindi mo pa yan ang vlog. Sige na, guys.
Ka-uwi sa buang. Ikaw. Puro siya.
Kinikilig mo tayo.
Hindi, sa vlog mo na. Panoorin niyo yung vlog niya, guys. May ano siya dun. May surprise siya sa inyo. Notice! Notice! Panoorin niyo yung vlog niya. Bakit kasi mauna yung akin? Ako pa yung nag-ano?
Hindi, okay lang yan kasi nag-ano na ako. Nagpabulaklak na ako sa Instagram.
Okay. Sabihin mo na kasi sa kanila.
Bird na ako, guys.
Yay!
May celebrate si ano, madam sa akin. Oh, touch boy. Touch talaga ako kasi
Siya actually pumilit. Sabi niyo, uy, punta ako din sa inyo.
Punta siya dito na sa bahay tayo. Hindi naman nila ako hanggang gabi. Sabi ko, Mo, ang ganda na. In fairness.
Yung pinakamalaking lemon natin, oh. Kain. Yung mga boys. Si Mark, day. Oh. Ano? Si Aliyah? Moscato tayo, guys. Celebrate. Let's celebrate. Na-open na? Ay, hindi pa open, day. Ikaw na. Meron tayo pulutan, no? Yung mga boys, yung pinapanood nila, dashcam. Yung mga ganyan, guys. Yan. Ako lang, uy. Mga bangga-bangga ba? Baba. Yung mga ganyan, guys.
Ikaw kasi celebration mo.
Ayun, nabangga. Oo, iba siya mag-ano. Iba siya, anong tawag yan? Gunner? Ay, gunner ba yun?
Char,
Iba siya mag-honor. Punong-puno yung sa kanya.
Puno pa ni ano.
Congrats, Day.
You're welcome, Dad.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Dad. You're welcome, Dad.
Yan, ganir.
Gano'n ba kadami?
Gusto yung maturon? Kain ka turon? Oo. Ikaw, gusto mo turon? Busog, busog siya.
Pagkapatay mo sa video. Patay ba?
Set up na naman siya. May pa-set up.
Uy, thank you, Dad, Lodi, ha? Salamat kayo.
Bakit?
Wala lang.
Anong ginawa ko?
Ito tayo.
OCD ako, wait.
Char.
Sure. Char.
Okay na, pantay? Parang hindi.
Pantay
Ay, ngayon lang siya nagka-OCD, no?
Try on sila. See, I like that color. Gusto ko yung top dye. Kasha kay Neil. Yeah. Yellow looks good on you, Neil.
They're really tight. Like, yeah.
Yeah. See, just imagine Dan wearing that.
I can't like still.
Ito kay Mark, kasha kay Mark.
I think mine
Para sinumpat kay Mark.
Oo. Kasha sa'yo, Mark. Ikaw na talaga. Kanina pa siya. Thank you. Opa. Char!
Pero sa akin, ano mga Korean?
Thank you.
It's okay lang, eh. Kasha kay Neil, guys. Yung pants. Yung blue. Pinamigay na ni Dan. Kaalis na sila, guys. Anong oras na ba? May natira pang pansit dito. Yung iba dinala ni Kat kasi work siya bukas, baon niya. And then meron tayong natirang green beans. Tapos yung moscato, isa lang yung natira. Ito sila, hindi inubos yung moscato. Yan, malinis na ulit, guys. Good job, my love. High five, my love. Busy siya, besh. Alright, let's go, babe. Let's go to the room, my love. Ready? Tanggal tayo ng makeup, guys. Actually, gamitin natin yung bili natin kanina na makeup wipe. Try natin tong Beauty Essentials. Kaya pala Beauty Essentials Fresh Micellar Cleansing Wipes. Marami siyang, guys, meron siyang aloe, meron siyang cucumber, pero I got the micellar one. Okay lang ba yung buhok ko, guys? Okay lang, diba? I didn't wanna go for like super light. Gusto ko pa rin kasi meron pa rin nagpipeek through na itim. Hindi ko alam kung anong kulay niya, guys, kasi pinakita ko lang talaga sa kanya yung picture tapos sinunod niya. So, hindi ko alam kung anong kulay ginawa niya. Yung sinearch ko para makita ko yung picture is subtle ash brown balayage. Subtle. Ay, hindi siya kasing ganda nung guys, nung simple. Pero, okay na. Nakakatanggal naman siya. Hindi din naman kasi ganun kadami yung makeup ko. Concealer lang kasi ako at saka eyebrows at saka powder, yun lang. Kahapon, nag-sleep mask ako. Ito, water sleeping mask. Ito yung ginamit ko kahapon, guys. Ngayon, lang tayo sheet mask. From Watson's sa Bangkok. Red wine. Red wine. Antioxidant. Yan. Ay, hala, dapat pala unahin ko gamitin yung yung matagal na sa akin. Nag-expire to 2021. Okay, yung na lang, guys. Nag-expire yung mask nyo. I-check nyo yung expiration date, guys. Anyway, ko-close ko na tong vlog, guys. Salamat, guys, sa pananood. Please like kung nagustuhan nyo yung video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on the next one. Do not forget, be good. Good night. Mwah.